Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 15th, 2022. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a look at our macadamia trees. Now, as you can tell, this macadamia gets a decent amount of sun for about 4 hours in the day, and then after that it's mostly dappled and reflected sunlight. So it is not terribly large. Let's take a look at our other location, which is completely shaded throughout almost the entirety of the day. And that's going to be right over here. Can you see it? Yeah, exactly. It's about the same size as the other one. Not terribly large. These have no soil amendments. They're just seeds that were started quite a few years back, and took them 13 months to germinate, by the way. I thought they were gone. I thought they were dead by the time I went to grab the pots and empty them out. Lo and behold, they had 3 that had germinated. So don't give up on your macadamias so easily if you're trying to germinate them the natural way. And then here's number 3, doing quite well. Oddly, the tips seem to be scorching out the new growth in the midst of the summer here. This is the hottest month in the summer, so that's probably not good. But he's not getting that much rain either. He hasn't gotten that much water. I water it, but it's been a very, very dry summer for this location. We're in zone 9B, 10A border in Florida. But for the most part, it's still remaining green because it's an evergreen, and it's still alive and healthy. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of our macadamia trees. Have a great day.